Holy smokes. This is so scary. Like this is so much higher than anything. Clear out, Darren! Why is he in the danger zone? But this is really scary to drop from because this wall is kind of tilting out a little bit. All right, tell him we're dropping in 5. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my. What's up and welcome back to another episode of GizmoSlip. So this is the iPhone 17 Air, probably the flimsiest phone Apple's ever made, probably. We gotta make a case for this. So let's go shopping and see what we can find. Okay, lots of cases. Don't need cases. We make our own cases here. Ooh, Nano Tape. This might be worth wrapping an iPhone in. This little dino one would be super cute on Rocky. Is this a fish? Panda? Okay, we're getting all of these. How do you not buy these when you see them? They're so freaking cute. This is Nano Tape. This is an iPhone 17 Air. We're gonna combine these together. I'm really excited to do a drop test for the first time in a long time, and we even managed to rent a skyscraper for this drop test. Just a skyscraper, finally freaking a skyscraper. First skyscraper drop test on GizmoSlip. And yeah, it wouldn't be possible back in the States probably, but here in Thailand, we're making it happen. I don't know, I don't think it's gonna survive at all. I don't know. But let's see the carnage. This is the iPhone 17 Air. Do you think this is gonna be a good phone? I don't think it's a good phone. Probably very little battery life, very flimsy. I feel like I could just go and break it really easily. And Rocky doesn't care, he's gone. Okay, that's fine. This is Rocky, a kitty cat I adopted here in Thailand. Hold on. I think we're gonna start like this. Okay. Done. This case looks super cool. I'm not gonna lie. This might be one of my favorite cases in a long time, actually. Come here, Mr. Panda. We've got the case made. It's time to take this up. It's gonna be freaking epic. Let's go do this, or let's get started. I forgot to do this at the beginning. Awesome. Wow. Darren's here in Bangkok now for a little while. One more day.
One more day.
One final hurrah before he leaves back to America again.
Nostalgic though. How many years has it been?
I'm trying not to deform the case, so I'm trying to hold it very carefully.
I am...
Give it a good look. Give it a good look though.
Yes.
Really?
I am actually going to say yes.
It is 6 rolls of nano tape, so I mean it's a lot of material protecting it.
So here's my reasoning, and maybe I'm a little crazy, but it has a lot of area to catch air if it goes in certain areas, so I think it'll probably slow down a little bit. And it also, like, it has, if it lands on the side, it has a lot of extra cushion.
Really high up. It's like 300 feet this time, right?
Yeah, the big what if is if the crumple zone isn't enough to hold the phone in place and the phone falls through out of the crumple zone.
Oh, maybe. Maybe. I feel more like the crumple zones are just going to all fold in.
Yeah.
It'll be a giant squished up mess at the end. I just don't know if it'll get all bent out of shape by the time all the momentum is arrested.
I gotta say, this is a fun design though. I'm very curious whether this will survive or not.
There's a lot of material here to protect it, so maybe. Yeah. I'm gonna go with a yes, and hopefully we can drop it in a watermelon afterwards.
Let's see.
Hey, my name's GizmoSlip, and I make arts and crafts for a living.
There's the first glimpse of it right there. But look at that building. It looks freaking epic. 6, come on, elevator. You can do it! Yeah! This is amazing. Look at that view. It's insane. I don't think we're dropping from this side though. This is an abandoned building, so I gotta be careful where I step and what I do. Bangkok is just huge. There's so many buildings here. It looks freaking amazing. All right, come over here. There's Darren down there. What's up, Darren? So don't push against this edge. This does not look very strong. Oh my God. Like this is so much higher than anything. Clear out, Darren. Why is he in the danger zone? Dropping it in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Oh, he almost hit the instant 360 camera down there. It was like, dropping it in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, all right. First time dropping from this high is really scary. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, but that went well. Like it kind of floated around, kind of like a little kite on the way down. I think there's a good chance it survived based on how slow it went down. Like that took like several seconds to go all the way down. Let's go downstairs and see what happened. We've got some very curious puppies. Well, I almost hit your 360 cam. Yeah. I thought for sure it was gonna hit the 360 cam. All right, so here it comes down in the sky. It's kind of parachuting real nicely.
It is.
It hits. Wow, it flattens completely flat. That phone is probably just torqued because that air is thin.
Yeah, no, it is very thin. It is very thin. I actually have not. I have not.
Have not? Okay, well, I'm really curious to see if it survives.
But I mean, just looking at the speed on this, right? You can tell in the slow motion. This one is like it floated enough.
Well, let's go ahead and see if it survived. Here we go. Let's check it out. Did it survive? It's still alive! It's still alive. We're gonna put this in a watermelon next. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that video too. But yeah, that thing looks awesome. Let's see how it actually did all around. I mean, it looks perfect. I mean, pretty much, except for the dust. Maybe it's bent, but let's check it out.
That is possible.
Okay, the back also looks solid.
These are not folding screens, so if it's not cracked, it's probably not bent too far.
Oh, Nano Tape. Gift from the gods. That phone looks brand new still.
It is functioning. What? Yes.
Boop, 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 boop. We should have recorded a camera shot on this. Oh, missed opportunity. So there you go. Nano Tape makes an amazing case. Thank you so much for the slow-mo. So we also dropped an Apple Watch Ultra and Dragon Fruit. Click up here if you want to check out that video next. That's it for this one. Brandon, Darren, and out. Bye.
Ridiculous.